Hello and welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Indira. This video is on the poem Lamb, written by William Blake, appeared in 1783 in his Songs of Innocence, a volume of poems. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Gave thee life and bid thee feed by the stream and over the mead, gave thee clothing of delight, softest clothing, woolly and bright, gave thee such a tender voice, making all the vales rejoice. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Little lamb, I will tell thee. Little lamb, I will tell thee. He is called by thy name, for he calls himself a lamb. He is meek and he is mild. He became a little child. I, a child, and thou, a lamb. We are called by his name. Little lamb, God bless thee. Little lamb, God bless thee. This poem, written by William Blake from his Songs of Innocence. The Lamb is a romantic poem. It reveals Blake's mystical, religious, and idealistic view of the world. It is the glorification of childhood, which is a great romantic quality. Here, the child is identified with God and shown as familiar with the mystery of creation, as we all the symbol of God, that is God within us, God within human being. The poet looks at the world through the innocent eyes of childhood and sees beauty of the world within lamb, or the beauty and love all around in the society of man and in the world of nature. Here, lamb is a symbol of the God, as God presence within a lamb, and the shepherd is also the symbol of that is God, that is lamb of God. In the world of these songs, there is not any suspicion of motives, no envy or any kind of jealousy. So, in it, human beings, that is, we are all human beings, have the same kind of security and assurance as belongs to lambs under a wise shepherd, or to children with loving parents. So, it is he who is himself a lamb, that is, and becomes a little child. The shepherd and father of Blake's poems is God. In the Songs of Innocence, God, lamb and child are one, a form of Trinity. The world as depicted in the songs is a lower paradise, very near to the perfect time, and when lion shall lie down with the lamb. The lamb illustrates Blake's use of symbols. In Songs of Innocence, his symbols are largely drawn from the Bible. And since he makes use of similar familiar figures as the God, shepherd, and the Lamb of God, there is not much difficulty in seeing what he means. That is, the lamb symbolizes gentle, meekness, beauty, tender, innocent, pleasant, and these aspects of human soul. It also symbolizes Jesus Christ, who is referred to as the Lamb of God that takes away the sin of the world. Thank you so much. Happy learning to all of you. Thank you so much. Have a good day to all of you.